Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mbiamano sana umwanche muligeria bita seni kyandizi TV nende ngokwaligania ase ntunda ya gatatu na twakomanya bukarenga umugeni tobereka gwikira nase studio nenda segekeke kirebosio ntobeto gwasanganere amange umwanche muligeria ngokwaligani bene togende gusanga somuroberi bwensa kya bono mambia so asensemeri mitandao ensemeri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net obiko gusangana intwe ekerengeri kyago kurinde tyangiriri bageri gali abene kumwarigania se studio atumanye na kyakorukwa ngai yakorukuru igasorgongo rwa gusi. Karibu sana.
Mbiamano sana. Soko mwarigania se getaseni kikeino ya Ndizi TV. First of all, kwanza kabisa ngongo apologize na nanyoru na takere kubagaiga saa 1:30. But tinyare tikoikana na sengenjo na lenge asemerogerio yo kubanga umusafara umuntu na mama oyo tusirereti oyo umusafara oyo guchakarero kubari gusongo hospital guchia nakwani gukwaya ni mambia njere seli italian enkoro Kevin Ntabo.
Okay.
Igoire nande nkalererwa baira gusi ncheno mwana ino. Igoire ase kenyeroge korokuna Itigo village. Itago. Kisaba kwa sub-location. Yali bali Masaba.
Okay. Asante sana, karibu sana se studio nende nigotoko kwa ngora ya bene ase uko musiria omongino mino kone nabo komentario ya keigo elindo mwanchu muri eli abega okoigwa isko gali kora tumanyingo Kevin no menyete gaiga soro kongorwa gusi
nkale na rwete gaiga lakini okomenya kwane kore ukocha na kogenda lakini obumenyo bwane anene asange igomenyete ese umuchi okurukwa na Washington State iri gotoka ari America na ndo bumenyi bwane bwakabere bore Nairobi asakuruku na Ongata Rongai and na ngaga igasengi boreire lakini asenge njongo kore gasi asakuruku na America Washington State no menyete most of the time na mbaka bono igabuna nachitega.
Okay. Kora tumanyingo ngakyo operate kuruga gusi Nairobi Ongata Rongai gwikagali asa America ngaki kwabete ko gwikororo.
Ngente getanga nimba ndago tebyo mo tegereri na teri kentor kere raisi because ye miaka na bete igaiga gusi ne menge no so merete gaiga no na chakrete ga kurugaiga endote iyo kagenda mache ngumbunja arenga ororo senge njogo na kinirete obutaka nande nabwate birengererie byo na litukeri mukani nyare kogenda lakini bono na kwaboli na kingo operate from Washington State na gocha Nairobi na gocha gaiga because igona nyorete after na quality school ya high school igona swete university kurukuna Kisii University na so metenga so memia kene akora igento ge kurukuna accounting kurugago kagenda ko likichigasi mbali na kodre chigasi from chinsemo chingao na kodre chikampani mbali nkaruoro kagenda asakurukuna England wasoma nasomete school kurukuna London School of Economics and Political Science ngaruoro kaira na Kenya kero naira na Kenya gaiga karora na bono na beire na nande tigamente ungaini bonde kogenda ense ya America ndole gosen ni mente amasomande inkagenda abu America so kero nagenda America nkanyora ubogima ororo gore tofauti kuwa gaiga na Kenya so in short cooperate kuru Washington State na gocha Nairobi na gocha Gusii ka timbu ati strong attachments na inseri ya America because tingi wore irioro nje no monto wore Gusii Gusii ga no nsime geta matoke nsime geta bisukali no echaire ititwaga torire no rine guru no dichinsa gachire no abasani bane barabangi abo bategerete bono ega na bakuate asset sabala set TV barigere tibono ega alright bono ekerong na very gali for tebe no yeno mwako yomo bongo twara ukogani kolina we can take go chako connect na abantu baminto abairi bane my other siblings they are here mono sana na baibuli bane igonko teba na bono chinga kichekire tiga timoke nteki ngire engaki yogo chakobate ugo batarera
okay yes sana umwanchi mulie nagendete kwibulia mabolio yaiga Kenya gwasomeira accounting kero kende nemirimo kwanyorete ya accounting igali ya senseri America
nanyorete mirimo ya accounting lakini aso kwa kana kwaye iko kwa rengenze ekero kwenda America abantu bakagete na America it's something nigento kwenda kwagenda kwimukia makaratasi ya yobwate kurugaiga
kwa bekalioga Because wete abantu abange bagotama ko Kenya ngachi besa nechinge so ndobwata a lot of expectations ngakero gwikire gari ebeso gwakano ne nyinge
first of all into wena te komanyana ki kero gwika America bakurarigeria makaratasi nkuru ni university kiore bono inege tegitangani bama gakore gento gekoro kuna equivalence because iba minetina ki university chi Africa especially for example let me tiankwa ne regoro ya Kenya bago teba na chire ikigwango gense kuringana na roro nani ebintu biri gwasomere tega iga mbiri enough nigo isana kuringana neke gwango kya bororo bono barigereri ba teba na itokorenga ni kento gekoro kuna evaluation when they do that they quit by ngani na masomo agari kwa makanyorana amasomo yorugo atega igara akwota ya ari garia osagari nusu bali wamagotebina ayebono ita oguchakira gaiga ose to qualify tikonyore gasinga muneye ose kwabeke kigwango genze bali so ekero na igete munororo ngari emiremo yo accountant ngaenda kaewa egasi yokoba auditor in training as a county King County ebotoka so much of Washington State omusara oli bare konga igorenga mokemono otarenge konyara ko sustain amahitaji yane nkatebana again take yango kora ni bongo suspend ama masoma ya mbugate elinde ntwale ko kore gente ngao so long as pesa ni pesa ni pesa atendo omoeli oye pesa ni pesa ni so tinyare tigutumia amasoma ali mbugate lakini from the background ni manyetena amasoma ali nangene mbolete I am able to manage na wonko nyara ku manage myself ko manage my expenses because ni mpate background ya accounting gocha
okay Kevin ekero wekete ya sensemeri ya America kero kende expectations chabo ngakichialinge
expectations chane linge na bantu bagonte bina obweka America okanyora chibesa chinyinge sana na okanyore gento gwakora nande gwakano chibesa chinyinge to some extent kulingana na obogima boli twamenyete Kenya nike mwene because nabago kolega asenkeiga nechibesa chirio kwa wekero go convert into Kenyan currency it looks like a big thing now kuna omo ense monerende ya kabere ekorokuna bills nakyo wene te gwakana igo bago kwa chibesa chinyinge kurwa nande bachire kurwa nseme kwa so expectation is challenge kaba frustrated na okwa guchibasa chinyinge at the end of the day one na chwese tax na chiagenda guchiga na mahitaji yokomenya kira rituko.
Okay. Asinaro ro wikirite bono gateba ngaya ya bono chibese ichiga ositingi betingo ikirani okugane kwana bono tigangira nse ya Kenya wosenga ngikiaga to gachinje birenge ri ukaenda gutigara orono.
No igona chiete nkaligio bungaini. Ngateba na story nere ntagotebi kwanza.
Okay.
Kulingana no muchakano ichego niboreire ne family y'abantu 14. Mama oyo sirire agwata abana 14. Ninje namba 14.
Okay.
Ninje mbasire.
Nayo siegete. Batumite abana chi last born mbabu atibori tomono.
So
kolengane ni first born.
Miake yonsi pi tuabeire to ukina wakine tegento ikurukuno botaka mama taringe tari mwarimu mama tari kiregasi ya serikali mama ngari bakora ubulimi bulyo bokoboke bukurukuna peasant farming peasant farming niga bwate ari gutumia resources kiriya bwate resources kiriya bwate ngabwata abana baye.
Okay.
Abana ababaye igo ba mwigwerete ande ba bwate BD ba gote abana the only way enchera yoko fanikiwa no kwenda mugondo no mugondo yo na kitobwate again tobwate gaiga no mugondo ne chinguru cheito so tokangya chinga kichi nyinge go kwale konyora na tokwenda mugondo twakonya na mugondo twalema twaleme bituma twalema chingende twalema chindagara chiri chiwana ugo chiri yani cha daily needs kwarori bono esengenje yayo training itwanyorete kurwa saba ibori baito ega to enable to ba to kaba self independent bono kero na America gari kaligeri na ngiye kwira chibesa cyane kinyinge ngake sabu kaligeri kocha bocha nkateba number 1 ige the basic needs basic needs in church food shelter na clothing ngire kikelinda nyare ko koranje bwe komonyene mbunguze am igarama iyi nkarorana ebintu ebibikuru nebintu bya mugondo nebintu ndanyare gutumia chinguru cyane ndari kwenda so mufuko
okay
nkainyoro boge mabori namenye tenka ngateba na onye mamo tachiete skuru obwene olenge ko sustain ko rageri abantu 14 abagima bonsi pipa tari koraranchara njeo yo monto yo mo nani bwate chinguru nchiete mpake skuru why can't I do it nginta bwene datigo kora bono iga erinde ngafoidi chigara mechiga
okay ogachako bulemi
ngateba na number 1 before ntara chako obolemi nkaligeri ngateba na kogenda ngana berero mwakoyemo na misiri ndagireri abantu twarenge kolinka kuri kinsaga amabera maroranu inagu wasambe bituma bon na binte bitoko nyara gocha Kenya nori nendege
ando bigogori
because itana bora tangu gari ya airport bintu binde gose bigo ika America onyore biasare kire so nkaligeri nkanyora na their resources in America
okay
nabongo chako bolemi nande ndeme binte bibionsi bibi twabwate elinde make far away home to look more like near home yes
okay bono igali America ngai ekero kwa twalite kirangereri kiga kyo chako bolemi omugondo ngwa bwatororo
migondo nera America eyo kombwa nero eyo kugura nero roro eyo community nero roro nande nabo kugura bulimo wagache nyumba twaro bulimo gukuru kubuchimaega se backyard yao asora kolero bulimo so because natagete a big space kaligeri nkatebana ebinte bibionsi bikugura that is an expense that I want to avoid nkaligeri na a community nero roro tole nabantu aroro kuna living well can't
okay
so nkaligeri community keiga igatoka ne bwate vision like me a vision ye babwate ngo yaringe kwambatana ne vision yane na living a healthy life. Yeah. So kumenya, how can you translate? Living a healthy life. So nga partner na barabu nga join se organization iyo paka tubagira umugondo iye kwena nwane government and bago beka all the amenities chon CP education system baka keregento bago support financially education through everything chebono made na chetororo unabono already nimbate background yoboli. All right. So na ndenge muntu mogeni oli ogochi kwenda guchaka kurusiro kaligere liga ngatewe kinegento mbwenerete gukora ekero nabagiru umugondo oyo iga ngatewa na okay na iru umugondo oyo iga kainkonyora imbintu kindasimike ebintu bigusimike kwa America gali no mata abantu banjite ebintu byabo bi abantu tutakinyerete na biro byo
haikuana liro bukuma chinsaga.
That was another challenge. Ngata na wono okay kwa iru mugondo kwa iru resources nimbwato mugondo nimbwata the means nimbwata the how lakini wono
nkyo simeka
haya nga mugondo kaba prepared kaba prepared kaboria umusani na rongo linge gocha koru Kenya ekarona antebi nango chali nkamutebi gentora ankorere aye chori ebinte bibikoro kuno botu obotu wechinsaga obotu wan manau terechi emyongo na teremba kebituma na teremba kachingende alafu tujagosimika na bakora teibo akandetere bintebyo bigaika ngateba na tiganteme ndorena
osembiame
yes
okay eto mwanchu muri eria kumetinga no rukura sense ya Kenya ende sense ya America chiko korobole mi inara maswali bagendete ko bolie mambi abone gakondo mwanchu muri eria ntogendete kwirineria amaboli ago ekero togendete gusanga nere Kevin uyo gukora obole mi sense meri ya America unagendete gotosemia emambia yabono iga ekero kwa bagokorete rubuto boli Kevin ogasimeka mbobete bukwambatana neliro balire
bono ekero nasimeka nche nabwate na believe you plant and you leave it to God ngasimeka ekero nasimeka chi ebintu biri na rusetiga iga Kenya ngagenda nchietiko chat immediately ngacha after 1 week Kironacha after 1 week inganyora everything they have terminated to be married up to the last seed. I thanked God. I said, oh, this one can be done. And don't you know anything we cover like that. From there, nkaba more curious, ngatebana okay, onye bia mirega iga, tigang concentrate in den dole na ki how they will do. Yeah, so nka dedicate my time. Igo na ninge kuruwe gasi to na rega kore gasi kutuko na kora ku saa moja mpaka saa 12:30 cha mambi. Na ma kuruororo na genda mugondo na chikurugera ibinte biga kuru saa 12 echo mpaka around saa 5.
Okay.
Jamugaso.
Ante tora bwatiraga abo manje muri era ndo ko buri nga igari ngonyorora abantu araba ekonda bakuburugere inkikyaga to ga sacrifice ayo munyene chinsa chiago chiamugaso akwene kinga ngobe burugerole ndege ntokende nga ngwa bwata so guchikonye ndagire yiga wose kwa begete ochikuri ayo munyene nte to bwatirega butrasio mia sense me yakabere ye studio to kwira nanto betagosanga mange biemo no sano mwanchi muri ebigeta Seni Kendizi TV nyoto kente gosange mambe yabona igano mugene ase studio Kevin oyo gendeta gotosemia amange igoro yobolemi emambi yabona gakondete turasoso mutima komoke igoto kwira nanto betogokwanera amange.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi. ayumure migiata kurwaro gonkorwo gusi nikisemo chiyetanaine wono na nkakiende yonsi tarira eduka ya Enokem Agrovet Limited nichisagia chaye bwinyorera mariogo yuguciarire bimeri mugondo amoyo chimbusuro endagira yetugo embego yetugo amariogo yugo itekenyambi mugondo chi supplement chetugo ebichuchu byogotuga na yandamange na obare imeyumu chobusongo ansamangacho akenyoro Farmers Cooperative Plaza angena Market Plaza Orosagironde nigorule opposite Shell Petrol Station formerly Falcon Petrol Station Naboigo Orosagironde nigorule nsemo ya Jogo angene skuru yobroso ya Jogo Primary Naboigo okoba kirisimi iliko manyamange Enokem Agrovet Limited, growing healthier future one harvest at a time.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology ni chuo ambacho kimeidhinishwa na Wizara ya Elimu kupeana kozi mbalimbali. Katika sehemu ya kuwezesha vijana wanatoa kozi kama vile hairdressing and beauty therapy, electrical installation, plumbing and pipe fitting, motor vehicle mechanics, fashion and design na kozi nyinginezo. Pia wanatoa mafunzo ya wanahabari kama vile journalism and mass communication, video shooting and video production, audio production na zinginezo. Wanazo kozi ambazo zinatahiniwa na Kenya National Examination Council NEC na ni kama zifuatazo: Secretarial Studies, Information Communication Technology, Social Work and Community Development miongoni mwa nyinginezo. Pia wanazo kozi zinazochukua muda mfupi kama Computer Packages, Cake Making, Music Production na zingine. Wako na intake kwa kila mwezi. Wanapatikana mjini Kisii katika jengo la Twin Towers ghorofa ya kwanza. Unaweza wasiliana nao kwa kuwapigia simu kwa nambari 0705773142 au 0784663693. Pia unaweza wapata katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook au Twitter Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology. Ni chuo ambacho kinakudhamini.
Welcome to Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology.
Kisii Family Medical Center ni nyagatari ya kirero iyo kurobokoreri au iriko koenekeria afyenkia. Ngorobarobokoreri buno koringorwa maiso na koena nebirore kurigereria maino obokoreri bwe laboratory mbabwate duka ya mariogo boigongo korabare physiotherapy. Ngwanchira bare insurance chikobwatia NHIF, Minute, Liason Group, Madson Group, KCB, Area ya Cooperative Bank, Teacher Service Commission, CIC Insurance, National Police Wose Prison, GA Insurance, Resolution Insurance, MTBA, Trident Insurance, na Boigo Star Discovery Insurance. Nigo bago toka Samaga New Sansoram barabara neste jenene ye Chigari egoroba entangani. Asamanke bakire simi weterase namba 0758770764. Kisii Family Medical Center, your health our responsibility.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Biamono sana umwanche mulire ndengo kwaligania sense mende chinga kitogenda gusanga imyomoro bili bwensaki abono mambyase togenda gusanga no mugeni utase studio Kevin oyogenda tayo gotomanya igoro yobokoreri bwaya nena sense meri America gokora obulimi. Biamono sana sibali mugenda takulika ujumbe chaino agwetra sense meri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital sense meri ndo chenga mwalimu Edward Sagatebanga. Good morning Frida, salimia omwa America ndo chembi yako guide, hiyo ndio tunaita CBC. Atanga happy to ya akuacha mila. Kero ndo chenga Andrew Matunda agatebanga Nyamira Town niko ndani imea top 6 Salams Club Kenya amana Ruth Nyabutombia manasana unchari mobisa agatebanga watching you Cloud Nyakez agatebanga good morning watching you live Fidel Mohamed agatebanga Notoramo Edwin Matagaro Brown unchari agatebanga good morning #Frida Kerubo nikiwa Estates of Nyariacho the capital city of Nyamira agatebanga tuned in Nyandi Kaben agatebanga watching you live Koro Gembo Mosora Nyamache sub county ni journalist Nyandika Ben Biomana sana asipali mwagandeta kulika ujumbe chaino kulende konyora Kevin intaraso asomutimo komakego nabango kubolia nga asensemeli ya America ingi kyagerto gachora nga egasi yago gwakora butuko wacha mugasana inde gwasa mugondo kerekenda bantu mbaroro maitege gusitona letenga asobuli myenye kubwetanira yakego na bokoli yabantu kwaba ekonda balima igali America tofauti kieroro
tofauti ya roro ni lina America kwenda ne kondo ni yendo kere expensive sana. Kwenda ne konda na benga unori ko monto o kore gasi yeli tukoligima. Ere equivalent no mushahara uri wakano wasori kire gasi. O kore konda for example o kuri ko monta ko kore gasi ga buri tuko. The minimum mura mwaka ne chibesa ne $100 150. 150 chisa ku calculate chibesa chiri it's almost chiri equivalent chiri wakano ali so kore gasi wose chila half of it.
Okay.
Kwalere bono tokonyara kuri ko monto. Unless kerogwato mugondo mokera kini kerogwato mugondo monene nando bate binte binge na boko liko monto akokolere konde iyo elinde because the expected returns chirogo chikonyora kurororo na ichi nyingi na chiko cover that cost of labor nigo na ale gotebi abantu iga that is contained from my vision tangwa nige songa sinini tafadhali mo allow when you want to do farming like this one that I'm doing, the first resource, the first thing that you have to look at is the resource that you have. Make use of what you have. And the first resource that people have is you. So the first resource is me. So my labor is the first resource that I have. Yeah. So before you look to hire somebody else, look at yourself and see what you can do.
Okay.
Like, for example, Keronkurwe gasi isa 12 ikonkurige rinaro nimkwate another 12 hours. So these 12 hours, what can I make use of it? How can I make the use of these 12 hours? Kwarorana in koimuki let's say in tevena around 6 hours. And then concentrate mugondo ni dema asinini if I can tend to my crops for only 6 hours. Na nachire e cost rinare ko chiko monto and chibese chitinko imuki ngende ngore soda Correct. Ndema yake iko ndose nyende instead yo wakano monto $150 go nunue kitu ya kukula niende ni kule.
Yeah.
You understand? Or I divert that money to something else. Instead yo kwenda korara, yo kwenda kuchapa sherehe vile watu wanafanyanga America. America no maite ni bwate sherehe sana. Ni bwate sherehe sana. So it depends how you utilize your time. So ngote bia bantu wantigerere tireroiga. Wale vijana, wale watu wenye wanataka kufanya kulima ndogo ndogo kama mimi. Look at what you have. Don't look at the things that you don't have, like you want to have tractors, you want to mechanize everything. That's not going to help. Look at yourself, what you have. And what you have is your own labor, you. Yeah. Ukiwa na familia, the better, because now you have the available resources. Why am I saying so? Mama yangu had 14 children. That is the first asset that she had. The first asset she had. So instead of hiring somebody else, we did these things for ourselves. Yeah. Yeah.
Litego mwari kuri yaka one touch. No what this stress.
Yeah. So nchabono mate na narenge kugoka saa 11 cia ng'ambi. Nagenda naburuga litengoriane nakora. Abana ba mintori bago chikocha banyoranje na linko ino kana enda nacho kore bintu bya. Ante ina njoto konya de apana. Itoronye cia gwanserete ayorara. Didio mugaso kunya wakanje inchega onkale bakore bintu bya na already have done my part. Yeah.
Okay. Wano gwasimikire endagire yiga ya Kenya. chinsaga manago chiamire endagire yonsi ni metinga ngware kuri okore ngai kwayirite
egento ngotebia abantu na ekero gukora egento kengamunekeiga don't do it for profit because it has to come from you. The passion has to come from you. Ekero nasimigete chin nyenye chiga ekero na tebete na tigankoro bole miogo na kolete erinde ngone ria abantu ose nchikone ria abantu egento na tagete neri naki I want to have that test that na lingi gotwaranka so the first consumer ni nchomonyene kateba na kinda twale surplus I can donate it lakini consumer eri ntangani ni nchomonyene igonkura atumie bintebi na nyorere ko mugondo njogwe ko monyene gingo isanika then na bonko enda mugondo lakini kwa bahati mzuri nilikuwa na surplus abantu aba Kenya community ni America especially asamenyete aba Kenya mbaro abange na ndenga batangasira ngabatebi na nimbwate kinyeni nimbwate obole mina korere gaiga ne bintu bira available ne bintu biri bya Kenya mwanjete so people just came wantebi na okay you be able to supply us with this abantu bande na batebi nchumugondo moya ere kwa sababu ni gasie ngong tinkonyara gukora because nimbwate gasi yo wakanwa na nimbwate gasi ya mugondo gasi yego chiyabe ngong bano nkanyora na ne tari nyini cha Kenya choka twasimegete nimsimegete bintu binde lakini from this organization that we are in Well Kent pagato tebina whenever you got a surplus nande turao ne binte bigaiga we would buy it from you ibono liti obwate surplus ebinte binge ibakugura ebinte bibaira bachi ko donate to food banks babwate school program abana ba school na America school mbosa abana bakurageri ubosa barageri abana nendagere yu organic Kevin kora totebingo ntofauti kire gatiyo bolimi asensemeli ya America no bolimi gaiga sorogongorwa gusi. The first thing is that in America people tend to use technology abantu bara America bagoteba wataite ko mechanize inere tofauti ntangani yororo na they use mechanized tools na kulingana na Kenya gaiga tugutumie bintu biri tugwatebu na amakombe chieri ni na kurebine chieri igani America abantu bagotumie tractor ande bagotumia kuburugera bagotumia sometimes people use drones some kokora pest fumigation but in our organization we don't do that we don't do pesticide control because ito kore bintu bikoro natural without adding all those additives ebintu biribere kwerende etafauti era nene erina amara batubwate igare amaya kuba ya America nande igari abantu bagotende kutumia organic manure than the chemicals to kutumia gaiga to import from outside so kwanyorana obwate the best soil but you bring another chemicals from outside kwa magodali tu ba salia amara waya tubwate gaiga
igiga se Kenya gusega sorgongorwa gusi Kevin ndobwate chi season ekero to gusimikendagera ndometenga season ene yo boli season yegane yebituma what about sensemeli ya America
nsema ya America yebwata chi season satonda sagotero seninye majorly chire chi season ibere nsema ya summer nsema ya winter china chichoka chirororo so boli mi to kora America to okora during summer time ya America yego chaka takero mutenyo kane bakomutenyo ikomiri yogo chikoerera after that it's no ego chobokendu wa mago kengenta wa ibintu biri beyond pipiro mugondo bikumaniri tukerimo from there kende ngeyo ranyare ko grow kende ngeyo kira kinegabu apart from ibintu biro bigo sasa biko bikwama no bokendu obu lakini ayogwe ko monyene tokonyara ko enda mugondo use kwa sababu esengenje yobokendu ngobono toko demogore ko mutinyo kane ko mutinyo ikomi unlike here in Kenya to what all time season
ekero kurigerie mbewu iriere igari sensemeli ya America nere tofauti ni ya Kenya
tofauti ya rororo ni lina akora mbayo bange obakora mboli bonge ororo ebintu birororo ibo bire pure bitabwati shortcuts. I'm afraid to say so because igaiga Kenya abantu bago katikona saying ndo bataite make the profit. Lakini twale go twarana obakora obutareke ko bombororo n'ibintu biri twabwate kare na ko gase bituma obutikali ibintu mabike kwasi bikembego iyo because nero the pure breed. Igaiga Kenya igaiga abantu bakwenda barusi bituma abantu bakirerangi bate batwonyali chimbego chiri cyo bakora sinja abantu bataite gutachiri bwa bwango etafauti ya rone lina igari tokonyora seeds which are very pure and well tested abantu batabwati bakora bonge nande in case ekero bintu byao byangire kwama tubwate insurance.
Okay.
People okonyora okoba compensated because kwachire kwanyole those.
Okay. Inkyora bego wo obose mikyora bego koruwa gucha asabalimi baliga igasensi ya Kenya gustora chakira sense mo yabasaye. Abantu mbaroro bakurigereria maybe obulemi baranga inega sibatanyale gukora inkyora abatebi.
That's the part that I love most. It brings me to the foundation. It brings me to this foundation that I've made here. The foundation, it's about the vision and the vision that I have for you people.
Okay.
As a young person, nachite school. Nimesoma.
Okay.
But don't use that one as an excuse of saying that you want a white-collar job and avoiding that the resources that you have to when the that poverty level that you have. If Onyan didn't have what a fixed mind that I'm going to be an accountant, I could be nowhere. So when you look at me, this is a true success story of a farmer. All right? Okay. Now, I want to encourage every young person who is outside there that you can do it. You can utilize what you have. Nimanye tena usiga igakero muntu eita na ate akabole mabwate ose nabwate somewhere a small piece of land. Use that one. Start by utilizing that one. The challenging thing kwaiga. In your daily life, nabone gatokuruga igamparanko litori breakfast. Where does it come from? It comes from farming. Okay? Omuntu kurukuna, for example, ayo mutangazaji. Ukoro butangazaji bwabo gaiga. Mworogo baguse chinsa chamu kasonko endoro ragere. You have to eat, all right? This eating, where does it come from? It comes from farming. Okay. The next question is, omuntu kurukuna mu accountant. Aende bengi gete suti ya yara gete say. At the end of the day, oma kwende kibanda. Kuchikuragere ndagere. Endagere yenga yekuru. Umulimi. So even the bibionsi ibiko sako miramira omuntu kuruko mulimi. So between you and the accountant, you the journalist, who is important? Who can do without the other one? Can you do without food? No, you can't. Can the farmer do without a journalist?
Yes, he can.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
So, at the end of the day, the most important person is this person that you are saying here. There's no dirty money. Money is money. So long as there is a genuine source. So the rough the hands, the more genuine the money. Bwanongo tebi musayi wole isikogari. Emiaka ne minge mbata lakini tedi minge mono. Almost of that your age. Get out of your comfort zone and utilize the little resources you have. Chaka small. It's not a bad idea to start from zero. Walk the talk. People will throw you stones that, oh, wewe ulienda shule ukasoma 4 years, ukafanya actuarial science, ukafanya engineering, but now you are not able to utilize all those certificates. Una struggle in the city trying to find, at the end of the day, unaenda kufanya kibarua na hiyo pesa unapelekea mkulima mwenye anafanya huko nyumbani. You can do. Nchuga iga tumia mugondo lyo bwato moko the maybe into gaiga. Lyo bwate gaiga you can take back to the city. Surplus lyo bwate you can sell. Avoid the cost of going to the supermarket to buy groceries. That's what I can tell you. This is something that we can do. In my vision here, this is what I'm telling young people, that you don't have to go to a market to buy tomatoes, which you can grow in your farm. Mchega ikatini kwenda supermarket kwenda kugura chinyanya, kwenda kugura gitunguu, kwenda kugura chinyenyi, kwenda kugura. The only thing that I can go to the supermarket to buy is meat because tingo nyara gosimeka nyama. Kwaldi. Onya ndinta gete chinko konge umugondo monene na bango kwa chinko ko be kama ngena. Ona bogo chaka no ine teriri lazima ogende mugondo. Onye to bwati mugondo. Chaka no ino gotugengo kayema. Engo kayema yega na be kube kama ngena. Uturage bichuchu bitano, maybe there will be 10, there will be 20, there will be more and more and more. So you can make a living out of what you have. So, umuntu ekerago gotebia akoire gekombe kiga kibwata machenuzo. What do you say? Do you say it's half empty or half full? You say it's half full.
Full, yeah.
So be content with what you have. Isane kanige ntukerio bwate and make use of it. Let it be a passion. So this is a vision that I had because it is a why for me. The why is that I want to have a healthy living. I want to make my family by eating the healthy foods which are grown by me. Abantu bakorora kurusikomorore na yaya this guy monto yombuya ibinte bya yambuyako nebiyabire you can buy. So if you don't buy still I can consume them. I can store them for myself. Abantu I can sell it to people but batagete ebinte bira.
Okay. Mbiamono sana sogoteresre gasubwagare. Ekero kuriria ense ya Kenya in general. Ngikiria balimi babwenete ko improve asobulimi bwabo.
Kwemburu fugaiga ebintu ukwendete gukora no go diversify. Go diversify nerina you don't rely on one thing for us all the time. Tarina ni rasimo simiketuma after one season another one kwabe kalero kwarode ugo tebya abantu batware enjira yokubaga emigondo yabo eri babwatemeke kubeka ebintu ao elinde bitware crop rotation. Tina kwalita agriculture mo na se school lakini from that perspective asina somete ngaikera and the experience kerimbwate kurwase obu training ba mama nerina tokore maybe ntebe mu asense meyemo nando yorere mambi yaya because chikwere chiri oranyore what chatige to or maybe eat diseases or something like that they are still there. Kwarore chigo chiko preventive into biri bya ombia mabuya obesa kubike genteke ngao na bakanyore genteke ngere resistant to whatever is harmful which is there. So got to be abantu ba diversify and ba make into biri we got take a short period of time so that you use your year effectively.
Okay.
Yes.
Ngoba ko gukwanira bukarenga ekero wacha kirito bulimi mu abete mogo siro mukai world resources inkyora tebye serikali ya Kenya aso gusira abalimi.
Serikali ga bwena te kurigererina abantu bare gaiga Kenya imbabwati ibintu biri batagete byoko ko bainebo bachaka uremo myogo bwabo ko ba their daily foods. Bono ngo batebi na serikali if there is a way that it can fast train people that you can utilize what you have. Okay? Nande babae igento gikoro kuna subsidized seeds. Elinde banyare ko tumia ko use emigonde yabo ko giro ebinte bibi they needed in everyday life. Nande apart from that, first stop we bintu bikoro kuna chikateli choko abante bintu bire fake. Okay. Bintu bire fake at the end of the day na bakanyoro muntu nabwate uwezo wo kugura lakini at the end of the day oendo gore bintu bire fake birosiri nabantu batete korosi chibesa chiawango which is more harmful than anything else. Okay. Nande ikongo tebia abantu bari ba okay the people are the government anyway. So ask for help. Yeah. So the government cannot come to you to tell you that this is what we want to do for you. So help is available to that person who seeks it. All right? So there's no way you can sit in your home ukanyamana echa ukonya ati serikali saidia. Serikali ni nani? Serikali ni wewe. So whatever this is what you want, there's no way government iwacha kumayana this is what you have. Like this one here. So people kama kuna watu wanaweza kuja kama organization kama hii, you can have a proposal and take it to the county government. If the county government cannot assist you, go to NGOs. If the NGOs cannot assist you, go to the national government. Use the people you have, use the MCAs, use the local leaders that you have so that they help you. Utilize, start from the lowest chain of command going upward so that you tell the people, before it government, it has to start from the lowest level. Don't expect you want to reach the president, Oko frustrated at the end of the day because tukonyara kumwikira kwa magoteba na hii serikali ni mbaya, hii serikali ni mbaya. No. Ni wewe mbaya kwa sababu uja take that initiative ya start from zero.
Okay. Kevin umetebona kwa bere go komenya senseli esiko kwa igukira ama isake igo kwa rolinga kyabantu bakora ibintu byabo. Kirikende kero gucaga gasoro ngorwa gusi abasani metembaroro bale no kugania. Babwate baganitie babe bagusirwo ko bakona baro bachako bulimi. Kirikende gasoro ngorwa gusi basai mbaroro kwa bekirange. Wose baraisa gwesoke no be koko basireli bagendereli.
Absolutely. Igonta iteko konya abantu. Abantu don't expect na ninja go koya handout. Yeah, ninja go kusichiba somo gukonkoya. I will be lying to you because chiba sanda koya chira go konyerero na nichigo konya mambi. The best thing that I can give you is to give you knowledge. Knowledge yengo kwa it cannot be taken by anyone. Insa kwa chiba sa chibondo igana wochira enda chisire, wose you can na bora endo to me bobe nchigo konya. Lakini kwa knowledge today it can help you for your entire life. You can modify that knowledge and make it even better. All right? So my job or my vision is to make you learn to sensitize you to have that knowledge to be self-reliant. Yeah. I can be self-reliant. They say, don't give me fish. Teach me how to fish. Yeah. So that I can be fishing by myself every day. So if I teach you on how you can do your small farming every day, I've already empowered you to have your self-sustainability every day.
Okay. Vya sana. Tucha sensema yago kirikende maroro kiubwate. Maroro kiubwate ya vision.
Oh, my vision? In 10 years coming, I want to be a very successful farmer. I want to make sure that I have educated a very big number of young people who have seen this profession or ukulima ndogo ndogo as something that they don't want to do. Kuna pesa kwa shamba. Chibesa nkoba kwa chile. Chibesa nchiyo as Kenya, for example, we don't have manufacturing here. We rely on horticulture and this farming that we have. So making use of what you have, we have potential. Also, in America, potentially, again, don't that honestly, here in Africa is better than in America. To be honest, we have all the resources that we have, that we need. But again, to culture, you don't believe in yourself. Okay. You don't believe in what you have. All right? So in my vision, I want to see you, me, being successful by utilizing the little resources that we have. Nandi, abantu bamenye a healthy living, batige kuri bintu bikoro kuna GMOs, which is shortening lives, and correct lifestyle diseases. Yeah. Utilize into the in your word.
Okay. As the kitabu kikia go kwanga ganindo chikerikirenga Ntabo Foundation, the Timetine Foundation kwa beri koko chake usina maroro wate yochi chake.
igona gwate vision ye amaroraya yo gochake foundation ye nyuma mama tarakwa utakurigere gaiga konyora na tebire na my mom was coming to US this October before she passed on. I had already, if you look at that kai getabu ekega ekerogongere gaiga konyora na mugoreire erinde achiwe saransa mugondo nanya komo consult nanya komo tebina na kioro jetogokora. So that one did not happen. It's so unfortunate that it did not happen. But nevertheless, it's never lost. So I'm going to continue this legacy that she left with me. She left me with a very powerful tool that I'm going to use to start this foundation. Well, it's in progress. It's something that is in progress. All right? It's something that we need to have partners. Who are these partners? It's me and you. Let's partner together. I cannot do this one alone. We need to have partners. We need to have people because it's meant for people. It's from the people for the people. So once we partner with this, we will start from small, we will grow, and we will be there. Yeah.
Okay. Kirikine na bokora to eresa chidai kaibere iga nge foundation yege ego entail.
Foundation yega igo na yeri geteiga because edieteiga igo lide tentabo family in honor of my mother, the late mother, Truvena Kimuma. It's something that I want to train people from the vision that I have here to empower peasant farmers. Mostly, we don't have people who are large-scale farmers. We have peasants. Okay. But don't call yourself peasants because what comes from your mouth is what you be. All right? Yeah. So, by providing you with resources, providing you with education, support, and enabling you to continue with the tradition of growing healthy foods that can sustain families.
Okay. Kirikine ngiro chiga asoro ngoro gusitora beto gukora intubu nabalimi toine kinga ngo yendelea tole.
Abalimi abakaba ke bale gusiba ngo batebiga. Konyana. Inumwe kabanyene. Tosa kuligere lina Olio monto olio jirani yao igasimigete cabbage aye mambi aye wasimike cabbage. You are not helping. You are having a very unhealthy competition. Try something else such that onye jirani yao ke wate cabbage aye simike sukuma so that we help each other. Okay. Na wonko wole cabbage kurwa sole aye kwa wole sukuma kurwa sinde. So competition, unhealthy competition is not good. Like from here, from where we have Ekwende organization we don't grow similar things. Okay. We grow separate things so that we help each other. If a concentration ya negere, we won't no concentrating in tekemo. Umonto yondega iga concentrating in tekende. So that tunyare ko konyana. Nande onyo borwere bwachire kuruense melia with cabbage. I know smegete cabbage yense mogaiga go kunya kwambukira na wensi ko chimwenu go chimwenu. Wensi ipi unaanguka kwa shimo moja. You understand? Yeah. So abalemi bagusi bali gaiga ngonko batebina try moteme go konyana moba bantabamo mogenderere no konya no ko mo se money mo outreach chi organization une ga twachire nero mo nyora resources ko matege ntoke ko kuno obonje the personalization lakini na njengo ngo kora na mwane inyore bintu biane ndenenge nchebweka avoid that inu nabantaba gusi ntu nabantaba babusi tigatwanjane twe na netisemi onye kwa tebire na you planted for example what's megate cabbage this season you don't want to do it can you educate your neighbor motebi na ki okay I did this one do you want to do this nataka kufanya hivi na koleta iga at the end of the day be happy with the success of your neighbor just the same way that I will be happy with your success you understand
Okay. Kigarando chingi birobito byatanyorire kigimat metingana yawe yo mo elienere yego cheso mwanchu muligerere.
Igongo tebya bategereri naba tubatengerate TV igana from ogokina nakinyerete kobotaka na beire gingukina moja kwa moja, kidogo kidogo, pole pole, through patience, humility and humbleness. Mama gatorereka abantu 14 through patience, akastahimili, akaremereria bintu ebi byonse ibi naye nabagokora ibo. You can do it. Make use of what you have. There is no manna that's coming from heaven yogocha kukurusia situation yore. The situation yore ngoko nayo gwiko oraye rusiororo. Obwena te kutwara gintu gekoro kuna the why, not the how. The why is that ogotebana nkiota itego korere gintu gakora. Ngobori wono, for example, iswali ndakobori. Why do you practice journalism? Ngioro senge choro morali. Iswali gintangania wontebi ni naki dichibuna. You are doing it for the paycheck, which is you are doing it for the paycheck. Yare gotoka na toliwa kanu mushara. Will you be doing that? No, you can't. All right?
Yeah.
So ekerogo korobore mi, just do that you don't want to have money. That is called the why. All right? Not the how. So ekerogo concentrate on the how. I'm sorry to mention some people, some companies, like, let me give you an example of Nokia and Samsung and iPhone. Nokia concentrated on yoko on mass volumes of Nokia series 11310 zamulika mwezi nyingi. They never improved their quality, but also chiwata screen chikwala kwende. Other people wabwate the why watete kwatena, okay, how can I make my phone look better? Not money, but making it better. Bagacha name model yenga engao. Abantu bakarorana, oh, this one is better than this one. Even if it's cheaply available, but this one is better. Bakanya avoid it company chiga. Bakang slowly. Even if this one is expensive, but it has more quality than this one. So people avoided it. Nokia almost collapsed. None. I don't know whether it's still existing or not. None. So that's why they concentrate on the why. So ekero kotebana, you want to do farming, don't look at the money value. Don't look at the money value. Look at the why you want to do it. Do you have that passion of doing it?
Okay.
Yeah. Without putting the monetary value on it, can you do it? For example, if you are an accountant seated somewhere, if you are a lawyer seated somewhere, suppose there is no payment. Or there's no paycheck at the end of the day. Can you do that job? No, you can't. Okay. Without money, can you do the farming? Yes, you can do it. Because at the end of the day, you bring food to the table, right? Yeah. So where is where? So farming is the best option. So na waomba wale watu wenye wako management, musidharau hii profession. You can stick to your profession. That is fine. You can do it part-time farming. You can do part-time farming and avoid going to the groceries to buy things. Hata nyinyi uzeni mama mboga vitu. You can be practicing your career on the other side, but you can also be practicing agriculture on the other side.
Okay, mbia mono sana so gwikira nasi studio iligo sanga no mwanchi umurigereria. Mbia mono sana Teresa Umbogo kirogendeta kubwatia umurubiri kurwa sensemeri ya Riyadh. Nende tigangire chinga kichiga cha bene gutume ngora yane ya bene. Ntumune getaseni kyandize TV twatumire ngora yeito ya bene ase okumusiri omungino ino nimetenga litkolia angyo mubwe ate omerobiri boko moene na boyo komukorera inyangi yayo moere tiganya sabe gakobagata aba chinguru so kwene kyanga chinga kichiga chingongo mogwetera mobe mugutwara omurembe byemo no sano mwanchi murigereria ko bere kugusangana intuko toka chagete mambe yarenge ngiya gwikira bono igatwikira moeria no gosemerera kwane na kwabere ko gwesemia mange wetero mogeni bwiri tukolierera byemo no sana se job maangi beyo bakagotwali bagalia bene gusangana mogeni tubwiri tukolierera na boyigo Abigail Nyanchama uyene kebuna chibicha niliyogire wikira sole asenjira ya bene nenchiritera nenkeru bo Frida twara obuligeria burubya karibu tena sana. Asante sana.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Kansu.